Other, watch your parents have sex every day for the rest of your life.
क्या हो गया रणवीर भाई को?
अपने अपने पकड़ लीजिए तुरंत.
Or would you join in once and stop it forever?
Join in? What the fuck, man? भाई साहब, ये सारे अपने पॉडकास्ट के रिजेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस है.
भाई माइंड ब्लोइंग आदमी है.
What a question,
मेरे को
भाई.
लगता था वो तो एक्ट करता है ये वो.
बोलना भाई. Watch your parents have sex every day for the rest of your life. Or would you join in once and stop it forever?
Ranveer Allahabadia hosting a YouTube channel that's name is Weird Biceps. Everybody you know and see this YouTube channel. Highly influential YouTuber. 4.5 million subscribers, have two channel, that is one is Weird Biceps, another is Ranveer Allahabadia. One is in the language of English, another is Hindi. So very influential YouTuber. In his Weird Bips, so came here many prominent men of India, man from politics, minister, MP, MLA, man from Bollywood, man from businessman, and man from monk are coming in his show. So that is very prominent man, very prominent young boy who propel his show properly. But amid that, a controversy raised in his statement, very undermined speech given by the Ranveer Allahabadia. That is not his own show. That happened another show. That's name is Indian Got Latent. In this show here happened abusement of fun are being highly mountaining fun by very undermined language are being happened in this show. Here reached out Ranveer Allahabadia with his three friends, that is Jasprit, Apurva and Ashish. With three friends, Ranveer Allahabadia reached out to this show. The name is Indian Got Latent. Here happened some discussion and fun are being happened there. Amid that, Ranveer Allahabadia gave a statement that is very controversial and got viral in Indian social media, everyday social media. The speech was, he spoke out that how many times you endure your parents' sex, how many times you endure and see your parents' sex, you go to join them and end up. So that's the speech given by Ranveer Allahabadia, who is propel a channel, very influential, very highly influenced Indian YouTuber. So after this speech, it was viral in social media. A petition file was happened in Mumbai police against the Ranveer Allahabadia as well as India's Got Latent. Ashish Roy and Pankaj Mishra, they are going and give a petition file against this show. Actually, this show already banned by the YouTube. You not search, you not get in this time Indian Got Latent from YouTube. And after that controversy raised, the DSP of Mumbai, she spoke out. The inquiry team have been constructed, and this team is going to be search out what is actually happened in this incident, who is the main culprit, and this controversial speech, this controversial statement highly attack to the Indian middle class family. Because you know, in Indian culture and Indian middle class family, they have not everything open. You know, when Indian middle class family accumulated to see a channel, see a serial or something, there happened some unrelated incident are happened or unrelated speech are being spoken. That time they are got to outside. So in this type, Indian middle class people, they have not discussed any body parts. They have not discussed any sex with Indian middle class people. In this context, it's are highly attack, highly head back or setback to the Indian middle class people who are see in this. So actually this type of show you can't see with your family. So if you want to see, you must have go to alone. And there have much highly abusement, only abusement that is fun. You see the Kapil Sharma show, that's also another fun show, comedy show, but there have not any abusement or there have not any underword are being spoken there. So this controversy are being happen whole India. Every news channel, Hindi, English, every news channel, they are raised concern. They spoke, they discussed in this matter. They have taken the people who are being discussed. So you know, actually in India, you know, in recently are increased. They are in web series or some YouTube show increase highly abusement or highly sexual language are being implemented in their deployed in this show. That's not the ethics. That's to movement to another movement of the Indian youth, Indian young people or youth are being the deep movement. So that's not the ethics of any society development. So I think must have to ban in this type of show. Where it can be YouTube show or it can be the web series. So what is actually happened future we don't know. But wait and watch what is actually happened or get update. So of course like and subscribe this channel.